What's going on? Ryan Troy back with another video for you today. Now I know it's been a long time and we'll get into that a little bit later, but today I have two shoots lined up. Now I just purchased the Nikon Z30 because I want to try to get into a little bit of vlogging while I'm doing my shoots and things like that. So make sure you let me know how the quality. Now, of course, this isn't the Nikon Z30. I mean, this is superior, okay? This is Nikon Z6 II, 24-70, 2.8 lens. But with the Z30, it's gonna be pretty basic. I'm using the kit lens and everything like that. So just let me know with the vlog part of the video, how you like that. Now, like I said, I'm working on two shoots today. I'm doing a project called Night Out in the City. I've been working on this for the past week and I just want to bring a lot of like city-like photos to my Instagram from Columbus, because when people think of Ohio, for some reason, they just think of farmland. So I just want to, go ahead on and do that. So I'm going to take you with me. I'm going to head on out to the spot right now and let's go. All right, so I just arrived at the parking garage. I got here a little bit early. It is currently 5:37. Now we're supposed to shoot around 6 o'clock, but I like to get places a little bit early so I can see exactly what the place has to offer. Now this place I'm shooting in is actually called the Short North. It's like a real, I don't want to say touristy place, but like a hangout spot, right? It's a lot of restaurants, a lot of things to do in this location. Now currently it's Wednesday. If it was up to me, I mean, it was kind of sort of up to me, but if it was 100% up to me, I would have shot here probably like at 7 or 8 o'clock, because around that time on the weekday, places start dying down, bars start dying down. Now, if it was the weekend, this place would be live until like 3, 4, 5 in the morning. So I'm gonna take you with me so I can show you exactly like the place that I wanted to shoot at. They have these pillars and stuff like that. I just really hope it's not a lot of people in the way when we're shooting, because I hate that. All right, let's go. So it is currently 6:36. I say the sky is probably exactly what I wanted. I'm just waiting for the model. She's running a little bit late, but it kind of worked out in the better because the sky is starting to look pretty good, as you can see. So we're gonna go ahead on, get this shoot. She should be probably like 5-10 minutes away, and I'll check back with you. No. So as you saw, my AD300 just broke. Now it fell twice. First time no sandbag, second time sandbag. It was so unfortunate because this happened to me before already. So I already had to buy a new strobe. Now the LED kept going, but when you try to pop the flash, you just hear like this tick, 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 tick. And when I heard it, I knew what that meant because, like I said, I've been here before. So it's really unfortunate. I love that light. It's such a great portable light. I was planning on buying the second one, but now I got to replace the bulb. And the bulb is expensive for no reason. Don't quote me on the price. I mean, I'll put it here somewhere, but I think it's like 175 or something. It's probably even more. In my opinion, it's overkill when you look at the price of the strobe itself. But I'll be doing that. I got to head over to the second shoot, the shoot that I'm the most excited for. It rained on us, if you haven't was able to tell. It rained on us and it messed up her outfit. Her outfit got a little wet. It's going to be a pain to clean that up when I edit, but it has to be done for the photos. You know, I got to get the best out of it. And I got a little reel. I took like some footage to add, but do I know if it's going to be all that good? Not sure yet. But let's hope and let's pray that it will be. Hey, as my shirt say. Can't see it, but it say pray. My shirt say pray. It say pray. Hold up. Up. Pray. Pray. All right. Do me a favor, bring that leg in some. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Yep, that's good. Yep. Oh, you want to? Do you want to switch into the dress, or you want to keep on with this? We could keep with this. We could just move to a different location if you want. Yeah, let's do that. All right. What you want to do? What you want to do? You said in the middle of the road? I'm down for that. I'm always down for that. Oh, you scared the hell out of me. All right, so if you do that, you have to do it the other way because I just moved the light. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Nice. All right, so I just finished my shoot with Michelle. Man, went amazing. Can't wait to show you the shots. You probably saw some of the shots. I probably snuck some of them in there while I was shooting just to kind of keep it interesting so you didn't have to wait to the end of the video. So I'm definitely going to be doing a lot more of these. Oh, the lights just went dim. I'm definitely going to be doing a lot more behind the scenes with this. Don't really know when I'm going to post it because I really want to edit the photos first. And that may take about good 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. So until that happens, I will see you guys later. This is Ryan Troy. It's been nice. See you later.